Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, into a great song here from Joeboy, Lose Ya. So, watch the music video. It's funny. It's about this dangerous little baby boy, I think. And yeah, anyway, besides from the music video, the song is great as well. So, let's dive into this one. Yeah, capo on third. That's where we start. We have these 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We'll make this main melody playing around here with this, and then also switch it up a little bit with a strumming pattern and look at that as well. So let's first start with the chords needed for the song. So we have this B minor 7, that's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 2nd fret and you bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass. Okay, so usually when I say like that, you could usually go with all strings there, but I just want to give you the real full chord, what is going on there. So it doesn't hurt you if you bar all strings there, so as long as you have the other parts right. But anyway, that is how the exact B minor 7 looks like. So yeah, enough about that. Place the bar there on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on the B string. That's the B minor 7. We have the A next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have the E minor 7. So that is all strings open except from the 2nd A. So open E, 2nd A, and all down there is open D, G, B, and E. All right, so that's the E minor 7. And the final chord is the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and 3rd E. All right, so let's take a look at the melody first. We'll go chord by chord here, starting with B minor 7. You're gonna play this part. So I suggest you hold the chord as it is. And then you're gonna play 2nd on A together with 3rd B. Then 2nd G and 4th D. You switch to the A. Now you don't need to hold the chord as is. It's just enough to hold the 2nd on the B string. You're gonna play. So that is first open A string and then 2nd B. Moving on to the next chord, the E minor 7. Here you don't need to hold anything at all actually. So you're just gonna play. So open E, then open G, and open D. So open E, open G, and open D. And then we're gonna go to the G chord here. You don't have to hold the chord there as well. You just need to hold the 3rd fret on E string. So you're gonna start with that note and then continue with open B and open G. And there you have the full melody. So slowly it goes like this. Sorry. And then so first chord was like that, okay. All right, so that is the melody that you can play from the beginning till the very end, but you can also switch it up with some strumming pattern, and then we need to look at that. This strumming here goes over 2 chords, so it's divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna look at the transition here from the first 2 chords, the B minor 7 to the A. All right, so the B minor 7 played with the part 1 here will be like this. All right, so it's first down, then down, up, clap, down. And then you switch the next chord, in this case the A, and play part 2, which is simply down, clap, down. And then you apply the same principle here on the next 2 chords. The E minor 7, you play part 1 in the same way as the B minor 7. So down, down, up, clap, down. And then you go to G and play part 2 in the same way as the A, down, clap, down. So the E minor G sounds together, all from B minor to A, E minor to G, like this. And so on. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers Joeboy's Lose Ya. Give it a try, nice song there. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a like for this work here and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Play tuned.